Welcome back everybody, this is Waste back with another quick video. In this video I'm going to show you the new way of uploading videos to YouTube. Currently it's in beta, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I have another channel where I don't have this option. So this channel has a lot of subscribers, so that's why maybe I get this option to upload and test that beta function. So you might not have that option, so I'm gonna click on this plus button, upload button beta, which is new. I'm gonna click on that, and here I can select the file. So let's go and select the file from YouTube videos, and here I have a file, get aliases, short on videos. And now while this is uploading, I can change the title, a description. I can change the monetization if I want to turn it off or on. We're going to see some auto-generated thumbnails there. Wait for this to be uploaded, and then we'll take a look at other options. Okay, so the video has been uploaded and it's been processed. You can see 100% processed. We can add a title, description, change the monetization. We got auto-generated thumbnails. I'll select this one, or I can go and use the custom one if I want to. So for now I'm gonna need some description here. Now it's required, so I'll just do get aliases for now, and I'm gonna click on next. So in the next I can select the playlist, a type of ads that I want to be present on this video. I can have end screen. Now this button will take me to the old classic YouTube studio, which I don't want to go right now, but you can click on this and it will take you there. A language you can select. Right now it's in English, so I'll leave that in English there. We're gonna have to go to the old Creator Studio for adding a cards. Hopefully these features will come to this new studio as well really soon. I can add tags here, so I'll just do get aliases, and I'm gonna press comma to add that, and then we can add subtitles. So you get to select these options, but now you can see a model here, and then you can upload video or change some options here. Category, education, location, you can type here if you want to, recorded date. So all those options are here now, guys. I'm gonna click on next, and the last thing is you can select whether you want to keep it unlisted, public, or members only beta. If you have a monetization platform, or you can have membership things in your YouTube, then you can select this one, a private. I will leave that a private for now, and I can schedule that as public, where I want to schedule this at today, and I will select the time, which would be, let's just say I want this to be published at 9:30. Okay, it's going to be private, but I can schedule that as public. Alright, so I'm going to click on done, and that's it. The video is uploaded and scheduled for public. Cool. I actually like this model to it feels modern, it feels advanced. So yeah, thumbs up YouTube for creating this for us to upload videos. It's much better, I would say. Alright, that was a quick tutorial, or I would say a review of a new way of uploading videos to YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next